distinguished judges and timekeeper. Today, I will be speaking on the topic, what the world gains from optimism. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. This popular Michael Jackson song suggests that the world needs hope, love, happiness, and even an injection of positivity. The concept of optimism is just that. Optimism gives the world hope and promises a brighter future. It brings out the best in people, enables us to take charge, be proactive, and accomplish more. Let us think specifically of the benefits of optimism to the world's social climate, one's willpower, and lastly, our ability to manage adversities. Mother Teresa, a modest Catholic saint, once said, "Peace begins with a smile." Imagine if the world catches a contagious optimism, starting with everyone smiling. A smile has exceptional powers. It can calm fear, hurt, and anxiety in not just you, but also in others. Optimism in the world is more than just having happy, contented people. It also enforces a sense of willpower. Optimism drives action and gets things done. Did you know that Colonel Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, was 65 years old when he pursued his dream? Why, you may ask? Because he was driven by willpower. Did you also know that he was rejected 1,009 times by various restaurant owners? Even if the rejection bothered him, he remained optimistic. Now, Kentucky Fried Chicken is one of the leading fast food franchises in the entire world. The existence of optimism in the world will activate the dreams in people, promote a greater sense of creativity, and will drive productivity. Advances in technology are tangible pieces of optimism. Optimism transforms the